Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Argerlinearrugas The Ordinary is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions on the market right now, and for good reason, as it promises to deliver a potent blend of ingredients designed to tackle a variety of skin concerns, from fine lines and wrinkles to uneven texture and dullness, all while maintaining the brand's signature commitment to efficacy and affordability, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine without breaking the bank. Number 5. The Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% Peeling Solution. Discover the power of advanced exfoliation. This potent formula works to reveal a more radiant complexion. Featuring a high concentration of alpha-hydroxy acids and beta-hydroxy acids, it effectively targets dullness and uneven texture. The BHA component penetrates deep into pores to clear congestion. Say goodbye to impurities and hello to smoother skin. Experience a noticeable improvement in skin brightness and clarity. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines. This peeling solution offers a powerful resurfacing effect. It promotes cell turnover for a refreshed look. Achieve a visibly brighter and more even-toned complexion. It's your secret to revitalized skin. What we like. This is a powerful exfoliating treatment. It offers a deep cleanse for your pores and a significant boost in skin brightness. If you're looking for a dramatic skin refresh and have resilient skin, this is the one to try. What people say. The Ordinary Argerlinearrugas is a highly effective serum that targets multiple signs of aging. It contains a potent blend of peptides and amino acids that work together to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Users have reported a noticeable difference in skin firmness and elasticity after consistent use. Number 4. Asterwood Triple Repair Matrixyl 3000 Serum. Discover the secret to a more youthful complexion. Our advanced formula works to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Experience the potent combination of Matrixyl 3000, Argireline, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. This serum is designed to boost collagen and deeply hydrate your skin. Quench your skin's thirst with intense hydration. It helps to improve skin's firmness and elasticity for a smoother, plumper look. Formulated to be gentle on your skin, this serum is fragrance-free. It delivers powerful anti-aging benefits without irritation. See a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and tone. Embrace a revitalized appearance with this effective, nourishing serum. Enjoy the benefits of this potent serum with our large 8 fluid ounces bottle. It's designed for long-lasting use and consistent results. What we like. This serum combines multiple powerful anti-aging ingredients. It works to boost collagen and deeply hydrate your skin. If you are concerned about multiple signs of aging and want a comprehensive treatment, this large bottle offers great value. What people say. It's a thin, slippery serum, loaded with peptides that really work to make your skin glow. It works on my whole face, has helped with under-eye circles that are now the bane of my existence. My skin just glows and looks bright and healthy when I am conscientious about using this nightly. After a few months of use, I've noticed a real difference in my skin, especially those pesky sunspots and uneven areas we get from years of sunscreen denial. Argireline is sometimes called nature's Botox, and while it's not that dramatic, I have seen subtle improvement in fine lines. It absorbs quickly, leaves a nice glow, and layers beautifully with my other serums, lotion, and sunscreen, no pilling at all. Anti-aging, softens fine lines with steady use. Lightweight, absorbs quickly, never sticky. Hydrating, keeps skin smooth and plump. Versatile, layers perfectly under makeup or other products. Number 3. The Ordinary Serum Favorite Set. Discover the ultimate skincare trifecta. This set features our most loved serums designed to tackle your biggest skin concerns. Experience intense hydration with our hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 serum. It plumps and moisturizes for a visibly smoother appearance. Our niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum works to reduce the appearance of blemishes and minimize pores. Achieve a clearer, more radiant complexion. Combat puffiness and dark circles with the caffeine solution 5%. This gentle formula revitalizes the delicate eye area for a refreshed look. This curated set provides everything you need for hydrated, bright, and refined skin. It's the perfect introduction to our effective formulations. Elevate your daily routine with these powerful yet gentle serums. They work together to deliver visible results for a healthy-looking glow. What we like. This set offers a curated collection of popular serums. You get solutions for hydration, pore refinement, and brightening. If you're new to the brand or want to try a few different targeted treatments, this is a fantastic starter kit. What people say. The Ordinary Argerlinearrugas is a highly effective serum for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Users have reported a noticeable improvement in skin texture and firmness after consistent use of this product. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly into the skin, making it suitable for all skin types. Number 2. Asterwood Matrixyl 3000 Plus Argireline Serum. Discover the secret to a smoother, more youthful complexion. Our advanced formula is designed to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Experience the potent combination of Matrixyl 3000 and Argireline. These powerful ingredients work together to boost collagen and restore your skin's natural elasticity. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this serum delivers intense hydration. It plumps the skin, leaving it feeling supple and moisturized all day long. Formulated to be gentle on your skin, it's completely fragrance-free. You can enjoy its effective anti-aging benefits without any irritation. See a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and tone. Embrace a firmer, more radiant appearance with consistent use. This bottle contains 2 fluid ounces of our potent serum. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine for long-lasting results. What we like. This serum focuses on advanced wrinkle reduction with a potent peptide blend. It also supports collagen production for firmer-looking skin. If you're specifically targeting fine lines and wrinkles and want a concentrated formula, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Along with adapalene, different, and not a line on my face. It's simple, use at night followed by a good moisturizer and works great. Clinically shown to be effective. Worked for me. I am a longevity physician and I have looked at the research. It absorbs easily, feels lightweight, and over time my skin looks a bit smoother and firmer. It's not an instant fix, but with consistent use, it really helps improve skin texture. Worth trying if you want a gentle boost for fine lines and firmness. Number 1. Asterwood Argireline Serum. Discover the power of our advanced peptide serum. It's formulated to target fine lines and wrinkles, revealing a smoother complexion. Experience intense hydration thanks to the inclusion of hyaluronic acid. This ingredient plumps your skin, making it feel supple and moisturized. Combat the visible signs of aging with this potent formula. It works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promote a more youthful look. Give your skin the nourishment it deserves. This serum is designed to deeply condition and revitalize your complexion for a healthy glow. We've created a formula that's gentle on your skin. It is completely fragrance-free, making it suitable for even sensitive complexions. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for radiant results. Just a small amount helps to visibly improve your skin's texture and tone. What we like. This serum delivers targeted wrinkle reduction using peptide technology. It's designed to smooth the appearance of lines and nourish your skin. If you're looking for a straightforward, effective peptide serum to combat expression lines, this is a great option. What people say. It has an instant relaxing effect on my smoker's wrinkles around my lips and on the expression lines around my eyes. Your skin will be brighter and smoother after just a few minutes. Dries quickly, contains peptides so it encourages collagen production, so helps now and over time. My skin tone and texture really work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.